All right, I've overhauled the carburetor, took it completely apart, replaced a lot of parts in there, I put in the new float, and it's in good shape now. It was pretty darn dirty. Anyway, it was completely jammed and wouldn't move. Took apart the throttle, took apart the choke linkage, cleaned all that, replaced both the choke cable and the throttle cable, and had to shorten the new throttle cable because they never fit. Had to lengthen the choke cable because they never fit. So now I have good snap. This is what I call good snap. When you let it go, it snaps back. That's really important. So when you let go of the throttle, it snaps back. So it took a lot longer than I expected because it was a lot grubbier than I expected. But now we've got good throttle, and I'm going to put in the new ignition system tomorrow and see if this bike will start. So that's where we are. Had a good day, very full day.